Guys, I have some products for you today, which is for our hair tutorial. So, but before then, please don't scroll. Please give me like a 10 seconds of your time. Guys, I'm a new content creator. I have really struggled with my visibility. Guys, my content is great, but I show up and I also show up every day still. There is nothing like change, guys, but with your assistance, I think I will be able to get a new eyes on my page and on my potential audience. Guys, all I need, guys, is please do follow me, like and comment. Doing that we enable or telling TikTok or YouTube that my content is valuable, and guys, they should show it to more people. Guys, I appreciate you guys that has managed to engage on my post so that TikTok or YouTube can take it to my potential audience for you page. Guys, please, if you are just coming across my page or my channel for the first time, I promise watching my video will never be a coincidence or a regret for you. Please do me that favor. Okay, without being said, guys, I have this hair product for you, which is my attachment. So I buy these different kinds of attachment for my hair tutorial. You know, when you preach for people to come and watch your video, they may feel like you are just joking. They know that all these hair tutorial have cost us a lot of money, because before you start you must have some kind of product to use. You can't just start, guys, with your empty hand. Guys, you must definitely have attachment. But at the first place, I used to reserve the attachment I use for my hair, guys. So that's how I started with. As I used to preach, you don't need to break your bank. So when I'm about starting my hair tutorial, guys, I usually reserve attachment, all the attachments I'm using to make my hair. If I lose my hair, I will keep them. Why? Because I'm using my mannequin to learn the hair styles, so it really helps me. So when I see someone I gonna make hair, that's when I is someone that you want to make hair, we bring the attachment for you to use. So but all these ones, all this time, guys, I've been using old attachments. So if you want to start as a content creator and a hairstylist, or maybe you are teaching people tutorial, this is how you're gonna begin. You're gonna use your old attachment doing it. So when we probably get money to start buying new ones, guys, you're gonna do that. That's why I usually preach, don't break your bank whenever you want to start anything newly. So manage the little you want to start with. As time goes on, guys, you will start buying. So this is what I do. I say it's not only my eyes gonna see it, I want to showcase it here so that you guys will see the infantry we usually make in terms of this. And not that we stand up teaching you the hair tutorial, we also buy attachment for it, we also buy product for it. So guys, stay very tuned why I display, or should I say unbox, that is already box. So I won't say unbox, I will rather say displaying. So but unbox this with me. So I have few attachments here which I bought them in bulk so that it can last for me for the hair tutorial. But guys, not after showing you this, you will not be coming to support me on my video. Please, after watching this, please kindly be coming to support me on my hair tutorial video. Why? Because we spend a lot in terms of coming up here, as in teaching you on how to do the hairstyles and hair tutorial. So do us a favor. Without being said, let me show you all what I got for my hair tutorial. This will also also prompt and enable you to keep coming, to know that this woman coming up, standing here to teach you, are also spending money. I will stand up, I will spend money, still yet I will not see anybody. Guys, it's not fair. Please do me a favor to keep coming to watch my video and also supporting me on my video. Thank you. So guys, let's unbox this. So I have many wool. This Brazilian wool that comes in many colors. Guys, we have black colors here, we have green, we have osbroad, we have golden. So many colors are here. So that's how I used to buy it. So that's how I used to buy it. Guys, these are parts. So the second thing we have here is my roller. Guys, for in case if you want to show people how to do coiling mouth, guys, before I used to use biro or stick, but those ones used to cut at any time. So I noticed that this roller is the best for this. So that's why I managed to buy. All these are money. Please, after watching this video, kindly be coming to watch my video. I thank God begun. Okay, this one is also bag stick. I don't know what it's called, but I think it's bag stick. Guys, this also for rolling. For maybe if you want to show people on how to do coiling mouth, you can also use this one. So I managed to get it too. So this one is my attachment. Guys, you see what they put here? They managed to put comb for me here. they did great. So they put comb for me here. So this one is our attachment extension. Guys, I bought this thing in many colors. Look at it. All of them come with comb. They are telling me kudus, I should use comb to be sectioning the hair. That's what they are telling me. So this one is another extension which comes in black method. This one they put biro for me to tell me say I should be using this biro to write all the products I want, all the names of the hairstyles, because if you are coming to learn on this our hair tutorial, guys, you get to come with your jotter and your biro so that you keep jotting down the names of the hair, and if there is any product or attachment you don't know the name, once you come up, you're gonna use your jotter to jot it. That will be a reminder for you. So guys, I have like 4 different colors of attachment, extension attachment. Guys, why I like, guys, all these attachment is very full, unlike the one I used to buy to use for my hair. This one comes fully. You get, this one comes fully. You see how full it is, especially the black one. Guys, look at, you wouldn't know that it's all this small extension you are buying. Guys, that's what I like about it. And they put also pen and comb on it. So this one apart. So here we go. So this one is our Afro Kinky. Guys, this one is our Afro Kinky, which we also use. This one is quite expensive. So you can see all what we spend in order for us to keep giving you, entertaining you with content, and also coming to show you, teach you the tutorial. Guys, this is it. This Afro Kinky, that it comes in pack like this. So I don't know, I just managed to buy this one 2 colors. So this one is also the same, but I managed to buy it in two colors. This one comes black color, the other one comes, would I say, horse blood. Guys, this comes in bulk because they easily packaged, guys. So they package it. So guys, I want you to view this very well so that you see the effrontery we are making in terms of this hairstyle. So do us a favor to keep coming to watch our video. God bless you. This is the best way to do it. Guys, thank you all for unboxing this with me. God bless you. Only what I can say, please keep coming up to watch our video. Keep coming to support us. God bless you. Bye bye.